How to transfer crypto from OKX Wallet to OKX Exchange. So first things first is of course pull up your OKX Wallet application and make sure that you're logged into your account. So before you get into the video, make sure that your OKX Wallet has already been verified via any specifications or identifications that you have on your end, because if you haven't verified your OKX wallet, you won't be able to move any of your crypto coins from this application. So to transfer your crypto from OKX wallet into your OKX exchange is very easy. At the center portion of your screen, you should be able to see pay, which is actually set as default. Tap on that and then just simply choose on exchange, which will be an advanced trading tools. So in here, you should be able to see your current balance in your crypto coin. Just simply head over into that and you should be able to transfer it from OKX wallet into your OKX exchange. And that's basically it.